Hi everyone, Tracy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be mentioning what I discovered pretty recently and have been using like crazy in August. I can't believe it's September already. I love these favorites videos because they're new products we love and are so excited about. First, the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Smoke. This little guy is all it. Anyone can wear this anywhere, and that's what I love about it. It's super pretty, but it's not crazy in your face. I want more shades. Go away, I know. You can use your finger, a beauty blender, or a brush to apply it. It's pretty foolproof. It doesn't move, it doesn't crease, and it lasts. And there's no fallout. Speaking of beauty blenders, here's one that's about a third of the price. It's L'Oreal. It's available in the drugstore and Walmart. It really is very good. I bought 3 more. Does anyone else hate using a foundation covered beauty blender? I need a few of them. They also have a smaller one that's blue. Does anyone do this? The more nervous you are about going somewhere, the more makeup you put on until you look like a nut. I have a ton of makeup on right now, as a matter of fact, but this next one you can't overdo. This is the Hourglass Illume Trio, a cream bronzer, blush, and highlighter. It's lightweight, it's a cream to satin formula. It's subtle, it's radiant, it's natural, but you can still color and define with it, and it's not greasy at all. It's genuinely amazing, and I will continue to repurchase this product for as long as it's available. Next is the Bobbi Brown palette that I got at the Nordstrom annual sale. I got this palette mostly for the eyeshadows, but I really think that this is my favorite highlighter right now. It's such a mess, I don't know why, but it always looks like I dropped it. The highlighter is called Golden Pink Illuminating Bronzing Powder. As of this moment, I believe there are still some available. And these 2 products I wear under my foundation, or sometimes instead of foundation, or over foundation, or under powder bronzer and powder blush. Okay, let's just say they're versatile, okay? This is the Soleil de Teint de Chanel. It's a cream bronzer. It leaves your skin looking like you're outside all day. If you don't want to take out a loan to purchase these, you can try this as a dupe. It's the E.L.f. Bronze Pink Beige, and in my opinion, the color is not quite as natural, but it's pretty close and it's really good for just a few bucks. Why didn't I just buy this one? And this is by Nars. It's a liquid blush in the shade Orgasm. 1 tiny pump on the back of your hand with a brush or beauty blender, and you can put it on lightly or you can build it up. It blends easily. And it says it's a sheer warm pink with golden shimmer. I don't see much shimmer or gold, but what do I know? Next in line, these 2 I either combine or I put this foundation on the high points of my face and this one everywhere else. This alone is too luminous for me, and this alone, the color is too warm for me. But if I want sun protection in my foundation, this is my recipe. This one is the IT Cosmetics Illuminating CC Cream, and this one is the IT Cosmetics Anti-Aging Armour. They're both SPF 50 physical sunscreen and broad spectrum. I find it does protect. They're moisturizing. You don't have to be old to wear these. Next, I had never tried this makeup line before, but there was the 50% off sale, so I ordered the In the Balm of Your Hand palette. To be honest, I haven't used the eyeshadows that much because they're more for winter to me, but I've been loving the blush, bronzer, and highlighter. They are surprisingly smoothing and blurring on the skin. I love the blush Frat Boy and Down Boy blush, and the bronzer is not too dark and not too warm, and the highlighter, Mary Luminizer, is nice. We don't have this in Canada, so I'm really happy to have it. On top of my cream products, I finish with the Hourglass Ambient Diffused Bronze Light Bronzer, or I just wear it alone. I've tried other shades, but they make me look orange, and this one doesn't. It's sheer and airy and natural. It's a great formula. Does anyone have a finishing spray that does absolutely nothing, but you keep using it because you paid a fortune for it? I returned that one and got this one. Okay, listen to me. This is it. I made my daughter buy this. It's the Cover FX Dewy Finishing Spray. Okay, make sure it has the word dewy because Cover FX has a few different kinds. It has the finest mist. I would only spray a finishing spray in my bathroom, but this one, the mist is so fine, you can spray it and you don't get droplets on your face and all over the place. It gets rid of the dry, powdery look and it locks your makeup in place. It's hydrating. There's no shimmer, no glitter. I don't want luminous under eyes, thank you very much. But shake very well. This is it. Forever. This video is getting long. One more product. It's the Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in the shade Bitten. I got this free from the Nordstrom sale and I kind of forgot about it. It says online that it has the look of a lipstick but the feel of a balm. And then one more thing, it's Sun Protection for Your Lips by Jack Black. I have really dry, sensitive lips and this one really protects, even if you're on a windy, sandy, sunny beach. Oh, and look, the writing's coming off. Really? Really? I need this product. I have it in shea butter and vitamin E because I don't like scented things, but there are other scents. Mint, black tea and blackberry, and grapefruit, and it's SPF 25. There's no color, good thing, because I got one for my husband when he plays golf. This is Senorita Margarita by Philosophy. It's the shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. It smells like a margarita, but in a really good way. I don't like scents, but this is light, fresh, and summery. Don't worry, you won't smell like a wino. Okay, check this out. I love my Swell Bottle during the hotter months because my school has no air conditioning because it's Canada and most of the year it's freezing cold. Before I left in the morning I would smash up some ice so it could fit in the tiny opening, but now finally the opening is large enough for a regular ice cube. One less thing to do in the morning. Swell keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for 12. It does, but don't drop it or it won't work anymore. Okay, now that's it. Thanks very much for your attention until the end. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and join me again soon, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.